This lovely Valentine's Day drink is called a Red Sakada. Go ahead and put some ice in your shaker. Now we're going to take an ounce of vodka. There's my vodka right there. Ounce of vodka, throw it all in. Now we're going to do 2 ounces of pomegranate juice. Woo! Do not squeeze the pomegranate juice, for it will fall. Let's eyeball it. You say, that's about an ounce, wouldn't you think? Pomegranate juice has such a good color to it. There are a lot of cocktails being made with pomegranate juice these days. Pomegranate martini is also a very good martini. Shake those ingredients together. This is going to make such a pretty cocktail for Valentine's Day. I must say so myself. Now you're going to pour those ingredients into your champagne glass. Look at that color. That's that pomegranate juice. Now you're going to just add your champagne. Simple as that. Someone is going to think you're a genius. You can totally say you made it up on your own. I don't care. Happy Valentine's Day.